Hi everyone, 48 is 32% of what number? So here we have 32% means 32 over 100. Of means multiply and what means a question mark, okay? So we're going to arrange this as a question or as an equation. So we say 48 is means equals. So equals to 32 over 100 of multiply by, we don't know what number is here, okay? So we are going first to divide this. So we'll say 48 equals to, now when we divide this we move to steps, so we have 0.32, okay, multiply by, we don't know. Now we are going to divide this side and this side by 0.32. So we'll say here 0.32 and here 0.32. Okay. So we'll cancel this, it remains this. So we're going to divide 48 by 0.32. So we'll do 38. To remove the decimal, we'll multiply here first by 100 and here by 100. So we're going to write 48 will be 48, two zeros, these ones, and 32 will become 0.32 will become 32. So we're going to divide 1, which is 32, minus, we have 6, and 1, we bring down the 0, it will be by 5. So we say 5 by 32 is 160, we minus, we get 0, we bring down this 0, so here we should write 0. So the answer is 150. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment and thank you for watching. Bye bye.